Are you struggling with blood sugar control? This liver recipe might be your new go-to solution. Packed with nutrients that support healthy blood sugar levels, this dish is a game changer for diabetics. Plus, the video includes a step-by-step guide, making it easy to prepare at home. So make sure to stay tuned to the end. Now we're kicking off the cooking process by chopping 500 grams of chicken liver into pieces. This powerhouse ingredient is loaded with lean protein, iron, and vitamin B12, essential for keeping your energy levels up and managing blood sugar. With a glycemic index of 0, it won't cause blood sugar spikes, making it ideal for people with diabetes. Plus, the protein content helps slow glucose absorption, keeping your blood sugar stable throughout the day. This liver is a low-carb, nutrient-packed addition to any healthy meal. Now let's add 70 milliliters of milk to the chicken liver and letting it sit for 20 minutes. The milk helps tenderize the liver and mellow its strong flavor, making it more palatable. While milk doesn't directly affect blood sugar, its calcium and vitamin D content contribute to overall health. Opting for unsweetened milk is ideal to avoid unnecessary sugars. For the next step, we're boiling 3 eggs and chopping a medium-sized onion. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein, crucial for blood sugar regulation as they help slow digestion and reduce glucose spikes. Onions, packed with antioxidants like quercetin, may improve insulin sensitivity and help lower blood sugar levels. They add flavor and bring extra health benefits to this liver dish, supporting overall blood sugar management. It's a powerful combination of proteins and antioxidants in one meal. Now, we chop a whole onion. We start by pouring a small amount of vegetable oil into the pan to heat it up, and pour it into the pan for a flavorful stir fry. Now we chop 3 cloves of garlic, enhancing both the aroma and the health benefits. Garlic has compounds that support heart health and can lower fasting blood sugar levels. And toss them into the pan with the stir-frying onions. Both onion and garlic are known to improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. As these ingredients sizzle together, the rich, savory base begins to take shape, adding depth to our dish. Next, we grate a fresh carrot and mix it into the pan. Carrots, with their low glycemic index and high fiber content, are a great choice for stable glucose levels. Stirring all these together not only builds flavor, but also ensures the dish packs a nutritional punch with every bite. Now, let's strain the milk from the chicken liver. And place it in a pot with water to cook. Boiling liver not only makes it tender, but also retains its rich nutritional profile. Chicken liver is loaded with essential nutrients like iron and vitamin A, both crucial for maintaining energy levels and supporting eye health, which is vital for diabetics. The cooking process here locks in these benefits while ensuring the liver is soft and ready for the dish. Let's move to the star of the show, chopping that boiled liver. Not only is the liver rich in protein, but it's also loaded with vitamin A and iron, which are essential for energy and healthy blood sugar levels. Watch as each piece goes into the bowl, laying the foundation for a delicious, nutrient-packed dish. Now, let's bring some freshness into the mix. Watch as we chop vibrant spring onions and pour them into the bowl, adding a touch of freshness and subtle spice. Next, we finally chop a handful of parsley. These not only add flavor, but also deliver antioxidants that support blood sugar regulation. And add it to the mix. Now, we're grating 3 perfectly boiled eggs into the bowl. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein, ensuring steady energy release without spiking blood sugar levels. With these ingredients coming together, we're building layers of taste and nutrition for a dish that's as healthy as it is delicious. Let's blend 6 tablespoons of oatmeal, an excellent source of fiber that helps slow digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. Oatmeal is a great addition to any diabetic-friendly meal. Now we'll add salt, black pepper, and paprika for a bit of seasoning. To bind it all, we crack in 3 fresh eggs and stir everything together. This step ensures the mixture is smooth and full of balanced flavors. With every ingredient working together, we've created a dish that's both healthy and satisfying, ideal for blood sugar control. The next step is prepping the frying pan with a little vegetable oil and pouring the batter into it. The key here is to gently spread the mixture evenly. Ensuring everything sits well before covering with a lid to roast. Cooking under a lid locks in the moisture, allowing the ingredients to meld beautifully. After about 20 minutes of slow roasting, we'll have a nutritious, protein-packed meal that's perfect for keeping blood sugar levels stable and providing lasting energy. Now, let's add 30 grams of grated cheese into the deliciously cooking batter. The cheese not only brings a creamy, savory flavor, but also adds protein and healthy fats that help maintain steady blood sugar levels. After sprinkling it in, we cover the pan to let everything continue cooking, ensuring the cheese melts perfectly into the dish for an irresistible finish. Now, let's prepare a refreshing yogurt sauce. Into a bowl, we add 25 grams of yogurt, followed by finely sliced dill for an herby kick. Next, we squeeze in half a lemon, adding a zesty touch, and finish with a pinch of salt. After giving it a good stir, the sauce is set aside, ready to complement our dish. This light and tangy sauce not only enhances flavor, but also offers probiotics, which can support gut health and may help with better blood sugar control. Now, our beautiful liver dish is ready, and it's time to serve. First, we slice the savory cooked batter onto a serving dish, each piece bursting with flavor and nutrients. To complete the meal, we pair it with a refreshing yogurt and dill mix, adding a tangy, creamy balance. This combination delivers a hearty, delicious meal that's perfect for blood sugar control and packed with protein, fiber, and probiotics. Get ready to dig in and enjoy every bite. What are your thoughts on this recipe? Have you tried any other dishes that help manage blood sugar levels? I'd love to hear your experiences and tips in the comments below. You should also watch this video on other savory, diabetic-friendly dishes we prepared for you. And please subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.